Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Vanessa. This is Vanessa CX Beauty, and today we're going to be doing a purchase or pass video, and this is just where I talk about new makeup releases and my opinion and whether or not I'm going to pick something up. So if you're interested in hearing about new makeup releases, just continue watching. So the first release, and I'm going to say release with quotation marks just because I don't know if this is real or not, but I'm hoping this is real because this image has been circulating around the interwebs of Instagram. It looks like a brand new ABH eyeshadow palette with a twist. It looks like it might have two face shades, and ABH has been releasing a few complexion products recently, so I feel like this would totally be something that they would be capable of doing next. And so it looks like a little bit of a modern renaissance with a twist, and I'm totally here for that. I have never owned modern renaissance, but I think that I would definitely purchase this palette if it were real. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about this one. I hope it's real. Fingers crossed. ABH, bring it out. The next release, I guess, I don't really know, is a new brand by Ariana Grande, who is one of my favorite singers, artist. I think she's gorgeous, stunning. I loved her in Sam and Cat. I loved her in Victorious. So I am purchasing whatever this woman comes out with. But it recently came out that she's going to be coming out with like eyeliners, brow products, that type of situation. And I'm here for it because she is the queen of the cat eye. But it also says that she's coming out with hair extensions. I might not buy that because I don't need none of it, but everything else, makeup-wise, I am here for, and I will purchase blindly. The next release is somewhat of an older release, and I'm gonna say older because it's like released in the past like 2 weeks, but it's the Mini Retro palette, and this is by Natasha Denona. It looks cute, but I passed on it. I know a lot of people bought it, but I don't know, these smaller $65 palettes usually blend out to the same shades and looks. I feel like I make the same looks every time I use my bronze palette, every time I use my Love palette, so I decided to skip on the Retro palette. But if you like it and it's your cup of tea, it's out, $65, go ahead and get it. Alright, y'all. And this is a Fenty release that I'm not into, and I've been waiting for them to come out with a new big eyeshadow palette for a while. I always talk about this with my friend London here on YouTube, but I feel like she dropped the ball with this one because this, I think, is boring. But it could totally be an everyday palette or a sultry look kind of palette, so I'm okay with it if other people are into it. It's the Bomb Posse palette. It's inspired by a few of their most popular highlighter shades, and they also did come out with a little trio of a highlighter palette with those 3 shades that the palette is inspired of. And then they came out with a brown eyeliner. I don't think I'm gonna get any of it. I hope she comes out with newer big palettes that are color stories that are more up my alley, but I know that this will cater to a lot of people, and a lot of people will be excited for this type of product. I'm just personally passing on all of it. The next thing is the Charlotte Tilbury Holiday eyeshadow palette. It's the Instant Eye Palette. Smoky Eyes Are Forever. And this is a palette. Off the bat, I thought this was a really boring eyeshadow palette, but then I saw the swatches on the arm, and it actually piqued my interest. I'm still not buying it, but I'm interested, and I will probably watch a few reviews of this eyeshadow palette. But personally, not purchasing it. Swatches look bomb though, so if I don't have anything else to purchase at that time, I will probably buy this. But, you know, I've never tried Charlotte Tilbury, you know, formula, so I'm a little bit skeptical on what my first purchase will be from Charlotte Tilbury, but I don't think this is it, even though it is a little bit interesting based off of the arm swatches. The next one, I have very mixed feelings about this eyeshadow palette. It is the Natasha Denona Holiday 2021 set. It looks like it might be a mini Metropolis palette with a brush. I've wanted the mini Metropolis, no, the actual Metropolis forever. Since it came out, I've wanted the Metropolis palette. I don't know if this is actually a mini Metropolis. The name hasn't released. This is just Holiday 2021 kind of situation. But a lot of people are saying that it's either a mini Metropolis or a mini gold. It can go either way. But I'm intrigued. I gotta wait and see if I will actually purchase this. I'm like in the middle right now for this, but it's enticing nonetheless. So I'm gonna put this in the maybe pile. Natasha Denona. Stop. Ooh, the next one. I think I'm gonna buy this one. I really do think I'm gonna buy this one. It is the Sigma times Disney collection. And y'all, the eyeshadow palette is gold. It looks so pretty. These shades call my name. It has an icy blue, gray, purple, gold. Everything that I need in a palette is in this palette. And it comes with a brush, and Sigma's awesome. So I kind of want it, not gonna lie. I am a Sigma affiliate. Let me look for my code. I don't really remember my code, but I'll look for it. Let me see. I'm a bad affiliate for not remembering my freaking code. Oh, okay. So there's my code. Nessa C10 saves you 10% off of your Sigma order. Use it if you want to. If you do use it, it helps me out. But use it if you want to at your own discretion, or use somebody else's code if you want to. But the Cinderella collection will be mine. They also came out with a little duo that's like a blush and a highlighter. I think I want that too. And then they came out with a brush set with blue handles with gold embossed words. I don't think I'm getting the brush set, but I think I'm gonna get the duo, and I think I'm gonna get the palette. I'm a sucker for Disney collabs. But another thing, another brand that I have to buy everything from. I have to buy everything. Even though I think I'm not gonna like one of these products, I think I need to buy everything. It is Nikki Tutorials brand. You heard it here. Her brand. She is coming out with a brand called Nimya by Nikki Tutorials, and she is releasing a Burr cooling eye stick for 22 bucks, which is going down here. It's for depuffing. It nurtures, hydrates. It has caffeine, green tea extract, squalene, all of that good stuff. Then she came out with a moisturizing primer, and I love the one by Good Molecules. I actually do want to repurchase that one, but I do want to try this one. It's $30, so pretty pricey, but I think I'm gonna buy everything. Everything. Then she has the License to Glow serum, which is gonna be $37. This is the product that I don't think I'm gonna like, but we shall see if the review, you know, changes my mind about it, even if I depending on if I get my hands on it, because I think this will sell out in 2 seconds once it releases. But it's the License to Glow serum. You add it as like a little highlight, or you add it into your foundation to add the glow. And then this I'm really excited for because I love setting sprays. It's the Set It and Forget It setting spray for $25. It's mattifying. And it has a signature Nimya scent, and Nikki Tutorials says that this smells like everything she is. So like, you're basically gonna be smelling Nikki Tutorials, and I love the idea of that. So I definitely need that setting spray. But then she also has a fan for 15 bucks, but if you do get the bundle, you get the fan for free. So I'm gonna try to get the bundle so I can get the fan for free. But I need everything in that collection. The next thing is the Too Faced Holiday 2021 collection. It looks like they're releasing 2 palettes and a blush palette. I think I'm gonna skip on these because I feel like they come out with the same thing every holiday, so I'm not gonna get it. One of the palettes has Paris and the other one has Beverly Hills. And one of them, I don't even know what the blush palette has, but it looks so cute. The packaging is so cute. Too Faced has the cutest packaging. However, The product just, you know, is boring to me personally. You can totally love it, but for me, a little bit boring. The pink one, the pink palette actually looks kind of good, but I don't think I'm purchasing any of this. And then we also have the Sugar Rush Holiday 2021. These are Tarte palettes. They look like they're baked shimmers, and they actually don't look like bad palettes. Like the mauve one kind of looks interesting to me. And actually the brown one also does, because it looks like it has taupees and taupey browns and warm browns along with shimmers that I do use. These two do look kind of interesting, but I don't think I'm going to buy them. And it's part of their, you know, holiday 2021 set as well. And then Milk Makeup is coming out with a primer for your eyes and your concealer. It's the Hydro Grip Milk Makeup Primer for your eyes and concealer. That's interesting. I don't think I'm gonna buy it. Interesting concept though, but I don't think this is going on my list. We'll see. That might change later, but I don't know. I don't think so. And then Hipdot. Holy. Alright, so after I'm done filming this video, I'm gonna buy the Monopoly one, but they came out with like a game night collection, and they came out with a Ouija board palette, which the, you know, the color story isn't that great. The Ouija palette like concept is awesome. They came out with the Play-doh palette, which I don't think I'm gonna get either, but they came out with the Monopoly palette and I think I need it in my life, so I think I'm gonna purchase that as soon as I'm done filming this video. But all three of these palettes together in a collection, totally awesome idea. Hipdot is very creative. However, I am only enticed by one, and that is the Monopoly one, which I probably will buy after I film this video again. And then the last thing we're gonna talk about, I'm so rolling my eyes at Too Faced. It's actually so ridiculous. It's like their spring 2022 collection. It's like in blue packaging with butterflies, and then 3 different Better Than Sex mascaras and different like colored components. I don't know. I'm not into this. It has pressed glitters. It's Too Faced. It looks like every other Too Faced palette ever released, plus pressed glitters. So I'm not interested. I'm not intrigued at all, and I'm gonna pass on that whenever it comes out in 2022. But yes, that was everything I wanted to talk about today. We had quite a long list today, but let me know if there's anything that I missed that you want me to check out, and if you're planning on picking up anything that is in this video. But that is all I have for y'all today. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.